Vaporeon, a cocktail tribute to the Bubble Jet Pokemon. Water type. Eevee's warm bourbon base cooled into something fluid and graceful. Pale ocean blue, clean and flowing with coconut softness and a fin-like garnish. The fur dissolves into water. The warmth becomes a tide. Let's make it. 8 elements. Bourbon, blue curacao, coconut water, fresh lemon juice, honey syrup, a splash of tonic water, a long cucumber ribbon for the fin, and pale blue sugar for the rim. Start with just 1 ounce of bourbon, less than usual. This is the Eevee through line, but cooled and quieted. Vaporeon is so water adapted that its body is nearly liquid, so the bourbon recedes into the tide. Buffalo Trace still works as the base. 4 Roses is even lighter and more floral, all but dissolving into the water. Now the tide. 1/2 ounce of blue curacao for the Vaporeon blue, and 1/2 ounce of coconut water for the flowing, almost briny body. Together they make a pale ocean blue without any heaviness, clean and fluid, the way Vaporeon's body blends into the sea. Use unsweetened coconut water so it stays light. Now the glide. 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice for the clean citrus spine and 1/2 ounce of honey syrup. The Eevee sweetness, carried through, because every evolution keeps a trace. Then a splash of tonic water at the very edge. Under UV light it glows pale blue, like Vaporeon catching sunlight underwater, where it nearly vanishes. Finish with a long curved cucumber ribbon arced over the rim, the tail fin. Dip the rim of a chilled coupe or rocks glass in pale blue sugar. Add the bourbon, blue curacao, coconut water, lemon juice, and honey syrup to a shaker with ice. Shake hard for 15 seconds until frosted. Double strain into the glass, a clean pale ocean blue. Add a splash of tonic at the edge for the shimmer, then arc a long cucumber ribbon over the rim. The tail fin, Vaporeon glides. Light, clean, oceanic, lemon over coconut softness with a bourbon honey backbone. It flows. The warmth became a tide, and somewhere with a thunderstone waiting, the next evolution is already crackling. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.